Video introduce about Autel MaxiSys UltraEV with EV diagram KIT, 2023 UltraEV Top Intelligent EV Diagnostic and Topology 2.0. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. 2023 newest scanner cover all functions of Ultra plus Top EV/HEV diagnostics plus battery pack analysis. Autel MaxiSys UltraEV is the most cutting-edge model that covers all functions of Ultra, intelligent diagnosis, topology module, bidirectional control, 40 plus services, 10 plus high-end function and more. It is the first car scanner which support EV and HEV high voltage system diagnostics. As 2th generation of MSUltra, Autel MaxiSys UltraEV adds EV diagram box and adapters to perform battery pack diagnostics. Autel MaxiSys UltraEV provides the highest high voltage system diagnosis level for new energy vehicles, which can generate specific high voltage system block diagrams for ECU system modules like SME, TEE1, CCU, IHKA and more. Based on the clear high voltage system block diagram, it can distinct display the relationship between inner components in wire framing form diagram. Display high voltage line loop, power detection loop and more. With EV diagram box new energy diagnostic box, MaxiSys UltraEV can quickly establish communication with power battery of new energy vehicle to realize offline battery pack diagnosis. You can check battery pack data, including SOC/SOH, voltage, current, pack voltage delta, temperature and battery pack status. This intelligent scan tool provides offline battery pack diagnostics to ensure each battery is safely installed in the correct location. Upgrade of Autel Ultra/MS919/MS909EV, Autel UltraEV provides top intelligent diagnosis, which built-in overall comprehensive database, including TSB, DDC analysis, repair assist, repair tips, component measurement, related cases for repair reference. When specific fault codes is occurred, it can match database to carry out intelligent diagnosis. Topology Map 2.0 can visually display the relationship between systems via different colors. Top Intelligent Scan Tool Autel MaxiSys UltraEV has ECU programming and coding for new energy, hybrid, gas diesel vehicles. It can program, rewrite, code, match the blank ECUs, reprogram adaptive data of components after repair or replacement, RAM AP control unit, update software to latest ver, refresh hidden functions. Modify default parameter values to improve vehicle performance. Autel UltraEV newly adds EV diagram box to establish communication with the power battery of new energy vehicles, realize diagnostic of, offline, battery pack, and analyze true charging status and health status of battery. Autel EV diagram box is compatible with Autel MaxiSys Ultra, MS919, MS909. Besides, Autel UltraEV has powerful multifunctional 5-in-1 VCMI interface, which is designed with the function of multimeter, oscilloscope, waveform generator, and OBD2CAN bus check. Autel UltraEV supports massive service functions to troubleshoot issues, such as oil reset, EPB, BMS, brake bleed, IMMO, injector, SAS, suspension, throttle, odometer, headlamp, CHG tire size, ABS, SRS, cylinder, brake pads replacement, fuel injector, A/F adjustment, engine power balance and more. Autel UltraEV offers bidirectional control, which can send command to activate the actuators and determines the integrity by monitoring the operation of the actuators. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. And important, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.